The year 2021 is coming to an end. In a few weeks, we will be able to welcome the new year. A lot of things have happened this year that we didn't expect, especially in the investing world. Whether you are a new or a seasoned investor, you have to plan for your investing strategy in 2022. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Antoaneta. Before we jump into our discussions today, please click the like and share button for this video. And if you want to be updated whenever we upload the new videos about investing, motivation or business, feel free to subscribe to our channel. So let's begin. Today, we will tackle the best investment strategy for 2022. How to be an effective investor. This is really important to know how to be an effective investor. You have probably heard other people saying that nobody really knows how the stock market will behave next year. As an investor, how would you handle this type of uncertainty? One sound investing approach that you can follow is to invest in businesses that are fundamentally sound and stable for the long run. Furthermore, in order to become an effective long-term investor, you need to learn how to remove your emotions and stop timing the market. Why failing stock prices are good news for us, for the investors. If there is one thing that you should want to happen next year is to see stock prices decline. A lot of investors are scared when this happens. Oh yes, but that shouldn't be the case because it will actually benefit long-term investors. And I'm a long-term investor. When this happens, long-term investors tend to enjoy higher returns. If you are planning to invest for the years to come, you should welcome falling stock prices. They are actually good news because they let you buy more for cheaper prices. You can keep buying the longer and the further stock market prices fall, which will also allow you to make more money in the end. You should embrace falling stock prices and remain steadfast instead of feeling fearful. You should learn how to remain comfortable owning a mutual fund or stock even if the market is down. Regardless of the stock market movement, continue to invest in sound businesses for 2022. Buy whenever you can. Another sensible strategy for long-term investors is to buy whenever you can. If you have extra money, invest it for the long term and don't worry if the market is up or down. Just focus on investing and expanding your portfolio. It is very simple and effective since it takes out the emotional aspect when it comes to investing. Of course, you can't just choose any stock. You have to find companies that are fundamentally sound and buy their stocks at a discount. Build your dividend portfolio. If you love passive income, then you should build your dividend portfolio. However, you must remember that dividends aren't for everyone. You'll find a lot of investors who aren't too excited when it comes to dividend stocks. But if you are into passive income, then you should include dividend stocks in your portfolio. This strategy also allows you to continue investing your money back into the stock market and build your position slowly. When you invest in dividend stocks, the returns you get won't rely on the stock market movement. You enjoy the consistent income and returns into your portfolio while building out your positions. And I'll say, don't worry too much. Don't worry too much about whatever concerns that are currently scaring the market. These issues often don't last too long. There will always be something that will shake up the market. Instead of fearing its effects or panicking, you should focus on investing for the next several years. Avoid all scary articles or headlines because the truth is, the media is just trying to get a reaction from you or convince you to read their articles or watch their videos in order to generate clicks or views. Oh yes. Stay focused on your long-term investing strategy. Continue adding to your positions every month whenever you have extra cash to spare. Ignore everything else that is happening in the stock market. And yes, that is all for today. If you found this video helpful in some way, or if you've enjoyed today's discussion, please don't forget to hit the like button. It will also be helpful if you can share this video so others can also learn more about investing. Feel free to click on the subscribe button for regular updates or leave comments below. It's really important. Let me know what you think. What is your strategies for next year? Thank you all for watching and have a great day. And don't forget to check my other videos about investing. I'll see you soon. A lot of success.